Design Fall 2013. This is week 1, and this is our 4th video from week 1. We won't always have so many videos, but I just want to make sure that everybody is on track with setting up their blogs so that we are all ready to roll to get the semester started. So the last thing I want to show you today is how to update your sidebar on your blog. So what we are going to do is we're going to go make sure you're on your blog, on your dashboard. You want to go down here to Appearance, and you're going to go to Widgets. In the meantime, I want to make sure that you have your headshot saved at 200 pixels by 200 pixels. So we want to get a square shot of you for the sidebar of your blog. So I'm going to pull up mine in Photoshop. Now this image should be the same image that is on your About page. You can either delete the one from your About page and just have this one show up on your home page, or you can keep both. See what I've done here is I made it 200 pixels by 200 pixels. Okay, so another way to do that, if yours isn't 200 pixels by 200 pixels, is to go select your crop tool and type in 200px by 200px by 72 dpi. Select it, hit enter, and there you go. I saved this one as, oops, I misspelled it, so 0-headshot-200 pixels, px. Save it to my desktop. Okay. Great, so now that that's done and my widgets page has loaded, I'm going to scroll on down to, where is it? Picture? Am I staring right at it? Image. And I'm dragging it back up here. This is kind of annoying interface. I'm going to drag it right back up there. I am going to leave off widget title because I'm not sure that I like the way that it looks. I just want the image on there. Oh, image URL. Okay, so we haven't uploaded it yet. This is a good reminder then to, we're just going to go straight to Media, Add New. And I'm going to drag my file up there this time. Okay. And now I want to see the library of my media images. Oops. Too many clicks. Okay. This is the one that I want, so I'm going to click here. And what I want is this file URL. So I'm going to, oops, make sure that I select the whole thing here. Right click, copy. Now I want to go back to Appearance and Widgets. Oh my gosh, it's so slow. I'm going to click here on image since we've already dragged that up there, and I'm going to right click and paste my image URL there. Alternate text is my name, Sarah0. Please type in the name that you would like to be called. So your first name, if your name is Catherine, write Katie, and then type your last name so that when I hover over it, I know the name that you'd like to be called. Image title we're going to leave out. Caption we're going to leave out. Alignment, let's center it on the sidebar. Width, if empty, we will attempt to determine the image size. So I'm going to let them do that. And link URL, we are not going to do our URL because we don't want it to click anywhere else. We want people to stay on our blogs. Save. Okay, so now I want to minimize this again, and in a new tab, I want to see what that did just before we keep moving. Ta-da! There we go. I might end up moving that to left justify, and we're going to see how that lines up with text when we add another widget in here. But that just keeps the name with the face. Okay, so we're going back here. Another I would like you to add is, oh, it's actually all the way down here. I would like you to do a search bar. All the way up. That just makes it easy to find something on your blog if we're trying to track down a certain post. I'd like you to also add categories. We're going to experiment with those. I think that that could be really nice. Display as a drop-down, show post counts, and show hierarchy. I think we're going to try drop-down and just see what that does. Categories. Okay, so I've saved this. Actually, I want my search bar to be down here below this. So I want your image to be at the top, and then categories, recent posts, archives, meta. Oh, we do want your archives to be there too. All the way up. And I want your archives to be above search. We'll have search at the bottom here. And then if there's anything else, you don't want it to get too cluttered, but some others that you might want to add would be, let's see here. Your pages are already going across the top of your page, but that might be something we add down the line. So you might want to add your, if you have any text that you want to add there, you might also add, let's see, links. So like if you want to add a link to your Twitter account or your Instagram account, you can, I'll go ahead and do that. Links. Oh boy. Select category, all links. Sort by link title. Show link image, show link name, show link description, number of links to show. I'm not sure exactly. It seems like I'm not sure exactly what this is going to do, so we're going to see. I'm going to refresh. Great. So I'm going to go back and left justify my photo because it bothers me. Sorry, I mean left align. I keep saying left justify and left align. They're different things. Left align so that this edge is aligned with this edge of this text. I can do that by going right here. Save. We're going to go back. There we go. Categories, archives, and blog roll. Okay, blog roll is not what I want. So what I want is to be able to make up my own links. So let's see if we can figure out how to do that. And if we can't right now, we are just going to save that for another time. All links, link title. Yep, we're going to delete that, and we are going to add that just another time. Now we have saved. I'm going back to my dashboard. I'm going to refresh this one more time. And there you go. Select category. Okay, so we can add categories to our posts. I'm just going to touch on that. Posts. It's uncategorized. So we are going to edit this. Oh gosh. Posts. All posts. I clicked media library. Edit. Categories. We are going to add a new category. GD201. And that's it. If you want to add categories for your other classes, please go ahead and do that. Actually, let's rename this. We want to do visual communication 1. And we're going to uncheck uncategorize. Yes. Okay. Update. So if you want to post work from other classes, please feel free to go ahead and do so. You might want to double check with your professor. Maybe they would have a reason that it wouldn't be a good idea to post something yet. Oh. Ta-da! So then whenever we're in class and I come to your blog, I can just pull up any assignment, anything that you post on your blog that was for a homework assignment. Please use the category Visual Communication 1. And that is that. So I will see you in class for week 2.